Did you know that you could make a lot of money every day by simply using spreadsheets or Google Spreadsheets or even Excel? Well, if you didn't know, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money by simply using Google Spreadsheets or even Excel. It's very easy and it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this at all. You don't have to worry about not having a good computer or not having a good phone. The work you'll be doing is very, very easy. So you only need an average phone or an average computer to do this. This is available worldwide, so it doesn't really matter where you're coming from. If you're in America, in Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, wherever you are, even South America, it doesn't really matter. You can get access to this opportunity that I'll be showing you. So before we get into the video, please do me a favor. Just click the subscribe button right now. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. I would really appreciate it. And please just kindly turn on all notification bells so that anytime there's a new video, you will not miss out on the video. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important step, because I'll be showing you everything. I'll show you the website and I'll show you how it works. So, the website we're going to be looking at today is called Hirescene, as you can see over here. Hirescene. It's hirescene.com. So Hirescene is a platform where they are recruiting people to actually fulfill some jobs for them. So when you're over here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down over here, and at the bottom you will see something. You will see current openings. But before you click current openings, I want you to understand that they're in cooperation with BMW, Ubisoft, IKEA, Taylor, Torrey Pines. So it's quite a big deal. It's not a small company, it's a very big deal. So if you look over here, they have about 380,500 projects, and currently there are 244,388 workers and 15,900 clients and 83 global awards. So it is a big company and there's a lot of work for you to do. And this is great because if you're at home and you may be unemployed, or you have a lot of time and you need some extra money, this website is going to be wonderful for you so that you can make more money for yourself. So you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you want to click here, Get Started. So when you click Get Started, you get to this page. So when you're on this page, you want to come down here and you'll see two options. I want to hire a freelancer, or I'm looking for online work. Now, definitely you don't want to hire a freelancer. A freelancer is somebody who's like you and I. You're trying to make the money. So you actually want to click on this option that says, I'm looking for online work. So you want to click work. When you click on work, it's going to bring you to this page. And you're going to see the kind of jobs available. There's typing jobs, proofreading jobs, paid surveys, graphic designing jobs, PowerPoint presentation jobs, spreadsheet entry job, voice recognition job, online advertisement, language translation jobs. Now, what we want to focus on today is the spreadsheet entry job. They're going to pay you between 20 cents to 40 cents per cell. Now, don't underestimate this figure over here because it is a lot of money. Just wait, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So for example, this kind of job, they're going to provide you with something like this, where they'll have an Excel sheet with 100 rows, and there are 3 columns here that they would like you to fill. So this is the participant number, and here's the weight, the height, and the age. So what they want you to do is to fill in the rest of the data all the way to 100. Now they're telling you that they're going to be paying you 20 cents to 40 cents per cell, but from what I know, it's usually 20 cents per cell. So this is one cell, which means that this cell is 20 cents. So this one will also be 20 cents. This will also be 20 cents. So they want you to fill everything. So they'll give you, for example, maybe they'll give you the first 2 or maybe 1, and they want you to actually fill in the rest. So they want you to get participant and get his weight, his height, and the age. And they want you to fill all the details until you fill all the way to 100. Now, don't underestimate the amount. I'll show you. When you go on your computer, go and see the online calculator. When you're on the online calculator, you're going to see that if we do 20 cents multiplied by, let's see the amount, we have 100. So 1, 2, 3. We have 3 columns and 100 rows. So 100 times 3 is 300 cells. So if it's 300 cells, which means that 20 cents times 300 cells is going to give you $60. So they are going to pay you $60 simply for this easy spreadsheet. Now, this is a big opportunity for you because it's easy work that you can do at home on your phone or on your computer. You just need to get data from different individuals and fill in the cells. You just need to fill in the cells, and it's as simple as that. They don't need the person's name or anything. They just want you to find information on each person, his weight, the height, and the age, and just make sure you fill all the way to 100, and you're going to get $60. Now there are a lot of jobs like these, which means that you can maybe do 5 spreadsheets a day, which is a lot of money. If you calculate, as you can see, $60 for just one spreadsheet, it's a lot of money that you can make. So that is what I want to show you today. This spreadsheet entry job, it's very easy. But if you're somebody who is more into like graphic designing jobs, you can go over here, or maybe online advertisement or language translation jobs, you can go over here. But the reason I'm showing you the spreadsheet entry job is because it's absolutely easy. And one thing I need to let you know is that they pay on time. They don't delay with payment. You can get the money into your PayPal account, or you can ask the money to be transferred directly to your bank. So it doesn't really matter which option you choose. You will get your money within 24 hours of you completing the job, of course. So, and before everything, you would actually need to register. You need to register, fill in your details. It's a very easy procedure. The registration is free. You don't pay anything. So that's what I want to show you today. This is just information for you. Maybe you think you don't have a job and you need extra money, extra cash somewhere. I'm just showing you this so that you don't feel alone, because there are jobs available that you can actually do from your home. All you need is a computer with Excel or Google Spreadsheet and maybe an internet connection so that you can submit the work, and you'll get paid within 24 hours. And there are a lot of jobs. As I said, you can do many spreadsheets in a day. Maybe if you have time, you can do 5 or even 10. It's very easy. So they'll just want some details. It's basically like data capturing, where you just go ask a couple of friends for their height, weight, and their age, and you'll fill it in. The information needs to be legit, of course. Don't just type in any random things, but actually go there and get information and provide it to them, because they will pay you $60, and you can do this as often as you want. So that's what I want to show you. If you enjoyed this video, please just subscribe, turn on all notification bells. I would appreciate that. Like the video. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And remember, the website is Hyacinth. It's hyacinth.com. As you can see here, online work from home opportunities. And we all know that these days it's very hard to get a job out there. So this is a great opportunity for you to actually make some money whilst you're at home. And as I said again, you can use your phone to do this. You can even do this on your computer. It doesn't really matter. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you. Let's support each other in this moment, and cheers.